So boys, today is the day I built my first ever gaming PC. I don't know how well you can hear me. I don't want to drop this or anything, but here's the processor. Very fragile. So the processor I have is the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. I'm not going to throw away the box because I want to keep the box. I'm just going to place it. It's not in yet. Did it bring thermal paste? I don't know. No, I think the fan should come with thermal paste already installed. Okay. Whew. If I bend one of the golden parts under the CPU, I wasn't going to show it because it was like falling off my finger. But if I bend one of those, it's over. I need to buy a new one. Now comes the fan. And I didn't actually watch a tutorial on this, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, the fan, it comes with like thermal paste already right here. I don't want to touch it or anything. Is there a specific way to put the fan, or do I just plop it in? So, the motherboard already has screws where the fan goes. I mean, it's probably, but like, I want to make sure, you know. Do I remove the screws that are already in there? So far I put in the CPU. Right now I'm going to put in the fan. Oh my back. Is the fan supposed to just sit on top? It's not supposed to click on anything, right? Finally, it took, how long did this take? 20 minutes? Okay, never mind, it's the memory next. For memory, ladies and gentlemen, we have the where is it? Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 16 gigs 3200 megahertz. Next to this is the first one, which is the black one, then the DIMM A2, which is this red one, and then the other one I put in the DIMM B2. I like the music. It goes well with the intense vibeness of vibes. This thing has many things inside that are moving. Fuck my god. By the way, I'm going to be putting everything, all the specs, in the description of the YouTube video. This in here has a fan right here. You can't really see it. And then there's another fan over here. All these cables are connected to the front over here. USB microphone, turning on and off, you know, that kind of stuff. Is it really just sliding? I don't think this fits in the case. It fits! Woo. Just align them. Dude, okay, so this part right here, where the memory or the hard drive goes in, it wouldn't let me fit the motherboard. I'm guessing it's these golden screws that go in the motherboard. Am I correct? One of the gold screws went under the motherboard. We got it. It's good. Okay. It's aligned. Finally. Right now I'm screwing in the motherboard onto the case. Just so you know, when I lift it up, it doesn't fall. Because if the motherboard falls, that would be bad. But you know, I think unless you want it to fall, then I already put all the gold pins, but like the case also came with all of these screws. And like, what the hell do I do with the screws? I might not use them all. Yeah, but don't I need to screw it in? And like, I don't think the motherboard is supposed to bend while being screwed in. It might bend. Oh no, it does bend. Anything's so the gold one. There's this. Oh wait, yes, remove those and put a screw. Okay, there we go. How do I install power supply? Well, boys, the power supply I have is EVGA 600 watts. What is this? You see this chunk of cables? Oh, okay, these just go in the motherboard now. Oh my god. Just all of these. Which are these over here. 6 USB ports, the power button, the headphone button, or jack, the microphone jack. It's obviously not the best cable management, but I honestly don't really care. As long as like nothing gets interfered, because I can't even see the inside because of the panels. But like, I'll try to make it as clean as possible, obviously. These cables over here, they were already connected to the front part. So I put them through this hole and then out the back and over here in another hole. Number 2, on the motherboard, by the way, everything is pretty much labeled. It's just in small text. System fan number 2 is there. Where's number 1? Okay, number 1 is here. Yo, Super Mario Sluggers music? Dude, actually, with this computer, I can play Mario Sluggers again. Which for some reason came in this weird looking box. Looks very sus. Finally, for the last component of the build, I still have to connect some cables, but here we have the granddaddy of, well, not really, the 3080 or something came out like a couple days ago, I think today. GeForce Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2060. Great price. Great price. Oh, there was a protector all along. Oh my god. It's almost ready, dude. I haven't eaten anything since 12. Just download it to a USB drive for free. You can't. Not when you're making your own one. And you actually need to buy it. If you get the digital version, you have to buy it, and then you need to download Windows on the USB, which I need to plug in here once it's turning on. Okay, so yeah, this ain't pretty. That's a lot of wires, but there's legit no other way. Yeah, my case doesn't. Oh Jesus. I'm sorry, Case. I'm sorry. I was gonna compliment you. You know, you beautiful beauty. Let me disconnect everything actually. Please. Please. Oh wait. Let's go! It turned on! Wait, you can't see it. Oh my god. It works. Oh, fuck. It works. Let me turn it off. Oh my god. Dude, when I turned it on and like nothing showed up, I was like, oh fuck. Don't tell me. And then I forgot I had to, on the back there's like an on and off. I need a thumbnail, Wait. It's not even on, but... Okay. That's the thumbnail, boys. 4 hours, 24 minutes, 15 seconds. I have been live. I have been building the computer. Thank you for watching. This was an experience. Will I do this again? Yeah, probably, once I get an upgrade or something. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. He's suffering, and I'll be back.